I'm Lisa from the music group as well, and I was also particularly moved to be able to play here tonight. Christine asked me just 2-3 days ago, and I said, wow, we can play at the cathedral, and it was really also for me a very intense moment. I could feel also the unity with our community, because we know that many people watch. And also Christine, she started this WhatsApp group with the music group, so we exchange all the time messages. But then to meet some of my friends and colleagues, I should say, from the music group here today, and to play at this beautiful cathedral and to play special music for the Holy Mary, it was very moving for me today. So I'm happy to be here today.